Having boiled up a little ham yesterday, I decided to make a Pea Ham Soup, so here's all you'll need to make it. A large onion, a couple of celery sticks, a bag of peas. A lot of recipes call for marifat peas, but I find it doesn't really make that much difference, so I've got petit pois. I need some chicken stock, garlic, then with the leftover ham, there I'm going to shred that into the finished soup. And also I kept some of the liquid from boiling the ham, so it's been in the fridge so that you can easily take off the fat, as you can see on the top. First thing we're going to do, get your celery and onion, give them a good rinse or wash, chop them up, then into a pan with a knob of butter and some olive oil to stop your butter burning, and then we're just going to gently fry these on a low heat for 5 minutes or so, just until they soften down a bit. While your celery and onion are slowly wilting in the pan, it's a good time to take the fat off your ham stock. When they've had 5 minutes, nicely softened down, going in with some freshly cracked black pepper and as much or as little garlic as you'd like, and just give them a minute to warm through. When they've warmed through, go in with your peas and your ham stock. Again, pop your lid on and give them 5 minutes to warm up. When your ham stock is warmed up, time to go in with your chicken stock. Then you're going to simmer this away for 30 minutes, just to make really sure that your onion and celery and what have you is thoroughly soft, ready for blending. With your soup simmering away, it's a good time to shred your boiled pork. After it's been simmering away, turn off the heat, then going in with just a bit of the shredded ham, and then we're going to blend it. But I'm going to use a hand blender because there's quite a lot of liquid. Normally I'd put it into a normal blender that you make smoothies in, but no, today it's the hand blender. Once you've blended it up, give it a taste test, because you're going to see if it needs any more salt, because the ham stock was quite salty. That's why I haven't put any salt in it yet. No, that seems fine. So all that's left is to put in your shredded ham bits and then get it into a dish and get stuck in.